17 Court Watch. A California City cold case murder conviction in 2023 has been overturned by an appeals court due to a possible lack of attention paid to the defendant's mental competency. With that reversal of fortune, Jose Lara was back in a Kern County courtroom today. 17's Connor Dorr picks up the story from there.
64-year-old Jose Lara was convicted in 2023 of killing Desiree Thompson, a California City woman who disappeared 10 years earlier. However, due to a judge's mistake, that conviction has now been reversed.
I'd give my life for my daughter. I wish it had been me and not her, but that's not the case, so.
Lara was arrested in 2022 after a man and his father told police Lara bragged about killing a woman in 2012. The FBI dug up the backyard of a home Lara used to rent and found Desiree Thompson's remains.
And I can't imagine my daughter having to go through what he did.
At trial, prosecutors said Lara told a friend he convinced Thompson to get into his pickup truck after he left a party. When they arrived at his home, Lara told Thompson to grab a beer from the fridge, and when she reached inside, he slammed her head into the corner of the fridge and stabbed her repeatedly. He was convicted of Thompson's murder and was serving 25 years to life in prison.
That we got to go through this all over again when in the courtroom the evidence proved everything.
Back in July, the 5th District Court of Appeal in Fresno found the Superior Court judge failed to refer Lara for examination after evidence was shown that he may have an intellectual disability. When a defendant is found to likely have an intellectual disability, the court is supposed to refer them to the Kern Regional Center for further examination.
Now we have to do this because now he says he's not competent. He sat in that courtroom and smiled at the evidence and shook his head.
Wednesday morning, the judge ruled for both a competency exam for Lara and referred him to the regional center to determine if he's competent to stand trial. If found incompetent, he could be sent to a state hospital to possibly restore him to competency. If found competent, Lara can be retried for murder.
I wish I didn't have to go through this, but I just have to suck it up and be strong and fight for my daughter, and I'll fight for my daughter till my last breath.
October 29th is Lara's next court date, where the competency exam results are expected to be discussed. Outside the Kern County Courthouse, Connor Dorr, 17 News.